Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're making something extra delicious. Soft sesame buns filled with crispy fish fingers, creamy cheddar cheese sauce, and a crunchy, refreshing coleslaw made with walnuts, cabbage, carrots, and pickles. This recipe is perfect for lunchboxes, parties, or anytime you're craving a flavor-packed snack. Let's get started. Add chopped walnuts, sliced carrots, white cabbage and pickles. Add 2 teaspoons of cheddar cheese spread. Add half a teaspoon of mustard paste. Add 2 tablespoons of Thousand Island sauce. Add 1 more tablespoon of Thousand Island sauce. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Add fresh lemon juice. Apply the butter to the bun. Toast the bun. Add sliced cheese. Add fish fingers. Add cheddar cheese sauce. Add the salad. Place a sliced cherry tomato. Add sliced cheese. Add fish fingers. Add cheddar cheese sauce.
Add the salad.
Add sliced cherry tomatoes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Take care, and see you in the next video.